and we talk about the best place. The best place first is Nanarok. Nanarok as well our students use our formula as well as because it's the way from school building every day.
Hi everyone, today we are here. This place is a holy place. We are called this place is Princess Mother Statue. The university received royal permissions of HM the King to elect of statue for HRH Princess Srinakarin on the campus premises. Feature of the statue sculpted in the sitting posture to the feature her in close proximity to her people. Dressed in the same attire as when she visit her people in rural area. 3. Her face expressing kindness. 4. Statue to be with her actual size. Okay, that's it information I give to you. So, how do you think about this place? This beautiful for you? I very like this place so much.
Hi everyone, my name is Athitaya Jariya Phamongkul. My nickname is Titi. Today I'm talking about Landau. Landau is the famous place of Buffalo University and the important is a memorial to the monument of Princess Srinakarin. Experience the atmosphere and beauty of the climate out of style and the uniqueness of the university.
It's a library. We choose the place at a search of the information and I do reading for research.
Hi everyone, my name is Thalathon Phoitong. This place is M Square. M Square has 3 buildings. L Park has a Sing Park Cafe and cosmetic shop. This is E Park. The first floor has food court. The second floor has 7-Eleven and store, Amazon Cafe and Arthur Cafe. The third floor has bank. This is view on top M Square.
Thank you for attention.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.